welcome back to our channel. We are ready-made homemade soy milk and almond milk on this channel, right? Make sure you see that. It's super cool. This is a very first time we drink oat milk. It's creamy and silky smooth that Mom uses to be her healthy coffee creamer too. Wow, so exciting, right? Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Now let's start. You could use any oats you have on hand. 1.5 cups of oats, 40 ounce cold water, 1 tablespoon sugar, pressed oat milk, and then start filter for the smoother milk. Yay! One tip that you need to know is do not soak the oats before blending. Use only cold water to blend the oats. If you do opposite, you end up with a slimy oatmeal for breakfast, not oatmeal to drink with teas or coffee. You don't want that, do you? Nuh-uh. So, follow the instructions carefully. If you like this cool blender, please look at the link below. It's from Instant Pot. Whoa. If you like matcha or milk tea, also at the link below. And now, who doesn't want a cup of homemade matcha oat milk tea to refresh your day? I bet it's healthier than any milk tea out there you could buy. And of course, you could substitute for coffee creamer too. Woohoo! Great, huh? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our video. See you tomorrow on the channel. Bye! Bye!